The Gubu Dam in the Eastern Cape is located in beautiful rolling countryside with mountains forming a backdrop. I didn't stay at this camp as it was closed for the pandemic lockdown. The campsite is set out on a small island under a forest of gorgeous pine trees. Campers can rig their tents or caravans on the pine straw in the shade of the trees and enjoy a wonderful, relaxing experience in the country. It's very basic with no electricity available at all. The closest town is Stutterheim, which is about 20 kilometers away. There are no closer shops, so you have to take everything you're going to need for your stay along with you. There are fireplaces with wood and taps that provide water that I would imagine is drinking water. There's hiking and fishing and boating and swimming that's amongst the best in the world. Or you can take a mountain bike on the roads and trails through the beautiful forests. Powerboats are not permitted on the dam to retain the atmosphere of peace and quiet, but canoes, sailing boats or rowing boats are okay. There's also some great rainbow and brown trout fishing in the dam. You'll need to get a permit to fish here. The road to Stutterheim is a dirt road, which is good most of the way, but does have some quite rough sections. As I mentioned, I didn't stay here, so I can't give you too much information, apart from the obvious and what I've been told, but I can show you what it looks like with some drone footage. I really liked what I saw here and would love to spend a month or two living here when I've rigged my caravan with some solar power, maybe sometime in the future. In the meantime, enjoy the drone video and the music. If you like these videos and would like to see more of them, please consider becoming a channel patron with a small donation for every video that I release. Just click on the Patreon link in the comments section below the video.